morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the definite integration. Now here, if fx dx integration of this is equal to fx plus c. Now we take the limit a to b fx dx equal to here, in this case fx plus c, take the limit a to b. Now a is the lower limit, b is the upper limit. Putting here fb plus c minus putting lower limit fa plus c, so that minus fa minus c cancel, fb minus fc here. This is non-indefinite value, This is non-indefinite value, and it is known as definite integration. This is known as definite integration. It has no integration constant because it gives the definite value. Now we take the example here, question number 7. Evaluate Now question number 7, integration of limit 1 to 3 cos log x divided by x dx. Solution of question number 7 here, integration of 1 to 3 cos of log x divided by x dx. Putting here log x equal to t, so that 1 by x dx equal to dt, and limit will be at x equal to 1, t equal to log 1, value of log 1 equal to 0, at x equal to 3, t equal to log 3. Now here this integration become limit 1 at x equal to 1, this is a t equal to 0, and 3, this is equal to log 3, cos log x equal to t cos t, and 1 by x dx is equal to dt, 1 by x dx is equal to dt. As here integration of cos t equal to integration of cos t sin t and limit lower limit 0 and upper limit log 3, so that sin log 3 sin log 3 minus sin 0, sin 0, value of sin 0 equal to 0, so that this is equal to 0, this will be sin log 3, this is value of integration of 1 to 3 cos log x divided by x dx. Now take question number 8 here. Solution of 8, 0 to pi by 2 theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. Here in this case we multiply 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2 theta into 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. As you know that sin 2a 2 sin a into cos a, in the similar sense 2 sin theta into cos theta sin 2 theta, this will be 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2 theta into sin 2 theta d theta. Now here we integrate this, we take this is the first function and this is the second function. Now 1 by 2 first function theta integration of sin 2 theta minus integration or differentiation of first function theta integration of second function sin 2 theta d theta and integration of whole function here d theta. As you know that sin 2 theta, integration of sin 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta, here 1 by 2 theta cos minus cos 2 theta by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2 minus d theta by d theta, this is a 1 and integration of 1 sin 2 theta, this is a minus cos 2 theta by 2, also d theta here, so that here 1 by 2 1 by 2, this is here negative, so that this will be minus 1 by 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 here and 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and minus minus plus. Integration of cos theta is sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta by 2, this 2 4, so that this will be minus 1 by 4 theta cos 2 theta, and this is a minus and minus plus here 1 by 8 sine 2 theta. Now this will be equal to minus 1 by 4 theta into cos 2 theta. Limit will be 0 to pi by 2 plus 1 by 8 sin 2 theta, limit 0 to pi by 2. Now putting minus 1 by 4 here, pi by 2 cos 2 pi by 2 to cancel. This putting the value of theta pi by 2 to cancel cos pi minus this will be putting theta is equal to 0, this will be 0 plus 1 by 8 here sin pi by 2 to cancel sin pi minus sin 0. Now here value of cos 0 is 1, so that 180 also 1 here, and sin will be minus 1, so that minus 1 by 4 pi by 2 into minus 1, and this cancel here. 1 by 8 sin 180 degree, this is equal to 0. 1 by 8, this is also 0, and sin 0 is equal to 0. So that minus plus, and pi by 4 to the 8. This is our answer here. Integration of limit 1 to 2 1 by x square e के पावर minus half e के पावर 1 by x dx. Here putting minus 1 by x equal to t, so that differentiating it 1 by x square dx equal to dt. Limit will be at x equal to 1 t equal to minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1, at x equal to 2 t equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here limit is 1, that is minus 1, and x is equal to 2, t is equal to, here t is equal to minus 1 by 2, e के पावर 1 by x is equal to t, so that e के पावर t 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Now integration of e के पावर t dt e के पावर t, and limit will be minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 here, putting the upper limit and lower limit here, e के power minus 1 by 2 minus, and here e के power minus 1. Now this is equal to 1 by e के power 1, e के power half, that is under root e here. And minus 1 by e here. Now here, taking the LCM e divided by this and multiply under root e, and e cancel, this is a minus 1. Now we take the question number 10 here. Integration of 0 to 2 x log x dx. Now we take x is we take x log x. In this case, log x is the first function and x is second function. Now we apply the product formula here. Log x integration of x dx minus integration of d बटे dx log x integration of x dx and integration of whole function dx here. This is log x here, x के power n, x power n plus 1, so that x के power 2 by 2 minus log x, differentiation of log x 1 by x, and this is x square by 2 dx. Now this can be written here, x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 here, and x integration of x dx, x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration of this x के power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, so that this is equal to x square by 2. Now this can be written as x square by 2 log x minus x square by 2 to the 4, and we take the limit here 0 to 2. 0 to 2, putting x equal to 2 in this case. Here we write, putting x equal to 2, 2 to the 4, this is equal to 2 only, 2 log 2 minus 2 to the 4 by 4, this is equal to 1, minus putting x equal to 0, this will be also 0 and this is also 0, so that it can be written as 2 log 2 minus 1. This is our answer here. 1 by 4, 2, we take the common 1 by 4, so that 2 x square log x minus 1 by 4 here. Now putting the upper limit x is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 log 2 minus 2 to the 4 and minus x is equal to 0, this is 0, this is 0, so that 8 log 2 minus 4 divided by 4, this is equal to 2 log 2 minus 1, answer. Now we use the general property of definite integration. Here integration of a to b of x dx is equal to minus b to a. If we change the limit, lower limit and upper limit, then here comes one negative sign, and integration of a to b of x dx equal to a to b of t dt. Integration with respect to t, here with respect to x. Now integration of a to b of x dx is equal to a to c and c to b f x dx. These limit can be divided into two or more part here. Now property 4, 0 to a f x dx, this value is equal to 0 to a f a minus x. We subtract from this function from the upper limit a minus x. This property is known as King property. This property known as King's property. Now property 5, integration of minus a to a f x dx is equal to 2, 0 to a f x dx if f x is the even functions, and this value is equal to 0 if f x is a odd functions here. And this property 6, 0 to 2a f x dx is equal to 2, 0 to a f x if f a minus x is equal to f x. This change here, no change the value of this, so that this can be written as 2 of this form, and this is equal to 0 if the value of function change and to form negative with negative sign. This property is known as Queen property. Now we solve